very recently, my uncle, I attended a function. Of course, I should not use that word, but maybe by that time, if I started, then I might not use, but I use one word. Uncle is very close to me. Every day we are going to spend the time with them. It's a part of my real estate. I use one word. The arrangements are very grand. The arrangements are too good, very grand. But that grandness is missing on your face. I use this word. Of course, I should not, but he's very close to me, my uncle only. Very close to me, just like a friend. I use this word. Have you observed the point what I pointed? The arrangements very grand, almost around 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs, a small function, one evening reception, 40 lakhs around. But that grandness should be there on our face also. Remember that. Okay, there is a person in there, maybe lady or gent. Well, dress is any dress they are going to wear, they are cute or they are looks beautiful. There are some people out there. Well, any costly items that they wear, where is the problem? Have you observed, right? The problem is not God's created face. The problem is with their facial expressions. That thing must be required. A smile, natural smile. So some welcoming style, welcoming smile. That thing must be required. Okay.